Hello students, welcome to maths practice. Today we are going to do exercise 6.1 question number 4. In figure, if x plus y equal w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. So this is the given condition, x plus y equal w plus z. We will use this while proving. And we have to prove that AOB is a line. So this is our AOB. So AOB we have to prove that it is a line. So property of line is that if we have any line, then all these angles should be equal to 180 degree. Okay, if we have any line, it should be equal to 180 degree. If we have any ray on this line, then the sum of these two angles should be 180 degree. If we have more than two rays, then also all the sum should be equal to 180 degree. So here if we see in our line AOB, if we see from one side, so here see this angle and this angle, we have two angles. If we add these two angle, if we do sum of these two angle, we should get 180 degree. If we prove it as 180 degree, we can say that AOB is a line. Okay, so let's start now. So here we need x and y. Okay, so let us start by writing given. We will write this x plus y equal w plus z. Now what we have to prove here? To prove AOB is a line. AOB is a line. Okay, now let's come to proof part. Now we can see here that if we add all this angle, then it will be equal to 360 degree. You should know this. If in a circle or if we take whole the angle, then it should always be equal to 360 degree. How it is 360 degree? Let us see. Suppose if we have one line, if we add, what will be the angle of this line? It is 180 degree. Okay, and again below here also it will be how much? 180 degree. Add these two angles, we will get 360. So this whole circular angle, it is equal to 360 degree, and this is known as central angle. So we will use this thing here. So here if we see, so under this circle what we have here? X, y, z and w. So x plus y plus z plus w equal 360 degree. This is known as central angle. And after that, now what we need here? We need x and y. Okay, so this x and y we will just skip it. X and y we will just keep it same. Now in place of w plus z, we can replace it here. See, sorry, here in place of w plus z, what we can write? We can write x plus y. So we will substitute this value here, x plus y equal 360. If we solve here, x plus x, it will be 2x plus y, it will be 2y equal 360. Now we can take 2 common here, 2. So it will be x plus y equal 360 degree. So 2 is multiplying here. If we send this side 2, it will divide. So let us cut 2 1 2, 2 18 36 and 0. It will be x plus y equal 180 degree. So see here, we got that this x plus y equal 180 degree. So this is making one line. So we can say that therefore AOB is a line. So here is the solution. So hence we have proved. So now let's start question number 5 now. This is our question number 5. In figure, POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS equal half of angle QOS minus POS. So POQ is a line. So if you see in the figure, POQ is a line. Yes. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OR, this is the ray which is perpendicular on this line PQ. Perpendicular means 90 degree. OS is another ray lying between the rays OP and OR. OS, this is OS. It is ray lying between OP and OR. This is OP and OR. In between this OS is lying. And we have to prove this. So here given, we will write all these things here now. POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. Full stop. OS is another ray lying between OP and OR. So here we have written the given part. Now to prove. Angle ROS equal half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So let's come to the proof part now. Now see here. If I see this line, OR is perpendicular to PQ. So let us write here. Since OR is perpendicular to PQ. So now if we see left hand side. So on the left hand side, if we see this L-shaped figure, this is our perpendicular line. So what is the name it is? It is POR. So let us write here angle POR equal. Now again, under this angle we have two angles. So we can write that this angle POR is equal to this plus this. Okay. So this name will be POS plus ROS. Angle POS plus angle ROS. Equation number 1. Now we'll look towards the right hand side now. What is the name of this L? ROQ. So let us write here now angle ROQ equal. Now if we see this ROQ, we do not have any angle here. We do not have any ray here. So what we'll do, we will just increase this part. So as we have increased, so now while writing the equation, we have to deduct. So what we have to deduct? See from here, this L part from here to here, we came up to here. So this part we have increased. So what is the name of this part? ROS. Okay. And up to where we came? Up to SOQ. So we will write SOQ minus ROS. Angle SOQ minus angle ROS. This is equation number 2. So now we have to subtract these two equations. So let us write here subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So from equation 2 we have written, we have to pick up first equation 2. So on the left hand side of equation 2, what is written here? Angle ROQ. We have to subtract with equation 1. On the left hand side of equation 1, we have angle POR. Done? Now equal. Now we have to take again right hand side part of equation 2. Angle SOQ minus angle ROS. We have to subtract now. We have to start the bracket because we have given subtraction sign. Now on the right hand side of equation R, we have angle POS plus angle ROS. Now we have to open the bracket and also we can put the value here. ROQ, if you see in the figure, ROQ, it is 90 degree. And POR also, it is POR also, total it is 90 degree only. So 90 equal. Angle SOQ will remain SOQ minus angle ROS will write same minus angle POS minus plus it will be minus ROS. Okay. 90 minus 90 it will be 0 equal SOQ. Now we can see here ROS we have 2 times. So minus it will be plus. It will be 2 angle ROS. So minus only and minus POS is left here. Now we have to see on the to proof part. What we need here, ROS should be on the right hand side. Sorry, left hand side. So ROS it is on the right hand side. We will bring this on the left hand side. It is minus, so it will become here plus angle 2 ROS. What is left here? SOQ minus this POS. Now see, we do not need here 2. So we will send 2 on the right hand side now. Angle ROS equal 2 is multiplying, it will divide here. And under bracket angle, what we need here? QOS. So you can see here SOQ and you can see here SOQ and QOS same only, we can write it according to question QOS minus we need here POS. So here also we got POS. So this we got the solution to this question. We can write here, hence proof. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.